I'm going to lay out a sample mortise on our sample block to demonstrate how to use the boring machine. I have first labeled my reference face, my reference edge, and my adjacent face with two triangles. One is colored in or filled in to signify the reference face. I've measured off the distance of 8 inches on my reference edge for the length of my mortise. The mortise is going to be 2 inches off the reference face and 8 inches long and 2 inches wide. That's one end of my mortise. Here is the other end of my mortise. Here are the two sides. One side at 4 inches, one side at 2 inches. The center line would be 3 inches. I've now laid out my center line. Using my tape measure, I'm going to mark off the locations of the holes on the center line. The first two end holes I mark a 1/16 of an inch closer to the middle so that the bit won't accidentally cut into the end of the mortise. I take the remaining space and divide it up into equal lengths. On these cross marks on my center line are the locations for my bit to start. So I'm going to use a carpenter's awl and I'm going to create a dimple for the bit tip to drop into to start in the correct position. Now that I have my mortise laid out, my center lines marked, I'm going to use my utility knife and I'm going to scribe the perimeter so that the fibers won't be ripped by the bit as it cuts through the surface. Each line is scribed 3 times